Loving the face, but we need to just redefine the hair and work on the hair. So let's start with the bangs side of the hair. So just gonna try to be a little bit looser with my pencil stroke. So just see how I did that here too. It's a little bit too straight for me. I'm just gonna sort of curve it a bit more. Okay. Here, it's all right, but I think I want to fix the outline, make it blend in a little bit more into the night sky. So I'm gonna make a straight line for the part and sort of be a little bit looser with my pencil strokes. And then down here, I'm just gonna flick it. I'm going to add a little bit more pigment down here. Around this area, I'm going to darken it, and this will make the face pop out more. So I will add pigment beside the neck area. Around the face, I'm going to darken it up. The hair is covering the ears, so it's okay if we don't have ears on this particular face. Add more pigment here again. And I'm going to darken it up on the sides of the part. I don't want to totally cover this pop of purpley pink color, so I'll just color around it. Being careful not to totally cover up what we had before. The color will still come through, even though, as you can see, it looks like I am totally covering it, but I'm not. The color is still showing through. So I just wanted to show you briefly what I mean by blending the colors all together. As you can see, this did start out very bright, the blue and the purple. It was that 440 and the 365, and I added even that purple 385. But, you know, I was layering and layering with the darker blues and blending the pigments together. And eventually I would get this look. You covered up too much. You can always go in with the color of your choice and add some color. And then blend it in. Let's add a cleaner stump here. This is now I'm going to take the 760. I am going to do the final strands of loose hair just so it doesn't look so stiff. So here we go. Maybe the hair would be coming out on the sides. Just, you know, some loose hairs that might be blowing. And I'm actually going to blend that in a bit. try to be careful that I'm not blending that darkness into the highlighted area of the face. Okay, I think I'm happy with this. You can layer, keep on layering. You can add a little bit of blue in there if you'd like. You can darken up the background and make that darker. You can just keep on layering the sky as dark as you want it and as colorful as you want it. You know what? I'm gonna get messy now. I'm gonna use my fingers and I'm going over all the lines. I find with your fingers, the color actually melts more into the paper. And it's actually a lot of fun. So yeah, I'm liking it better. Now that I've blended all these lines, the hair does look flowy and I'm loving it.